Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve you have reached the message request limit on Facebook Lite. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Facebook Lite, click on app info, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Facebook Lite. Update Facebook Lite app. Make sure latest version Facebook Lite. Go to Facebook Lite. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.